Hey everyone, welcome here. Today I'm going to be taking you along to an exciting ladies event here in Lagos, Nigeria. So this is me doing my outfit check. I just want to keep it simple and simple. So I was already leaving the house here already. I left the house quite early, past 7, because the event was scheduled to start by 8:30 a.m. and I didn't want to be late because I don't want to miss any information. So I took pictures and I look good. Yeah, pictures are always part of the memories. So I was on my way. Yeah, this is me just videoing the road. I got to the BRT terminal and there was a long queue there, so I had to wait. And this is me doing face check, face card thing. Yeah, as a lady. So Lagos traffic, there's always traffic in Lagos, and this is me again videoing the road. We got to Surulere at this point. So yeah, I was walking towards the event center and I got to the event. Luckily for me, I was using my Google map because I didn't want to get lost. I don't know anywhere in Lagos. And then I saw the events banner. I was so happy that, okay, yes, I wasn't lost after all. So this is me walking into the events and I was like, wow, everything was so nice and cozy, the lightning. And I just had to take pictures. This is for red carpet. So I had to take pictures for red carpet and make videos, always show your face. Then I got into the event. Wow, the decoration was on point. The decor was on point. So lit. The lightning, the color, the flower, the aesthetics, everything was so pretty. Then me doing face check again. So they gave us this tag thing and I have to show my tag. And then we got wrist tags again. So just show that, yeah, a part of this event. Then this is the host for the event. So the MC, a very beautiful woman. She actually dressed well. I love her dress. I actually told her that. I complimented her that her dress was so lovely. And this was when they were introducing the event to all.
Like Ifoma said, we started as a simple idea, a career and growth of where women could come together to learn, grow, and support each other on Telegram.
My day was actually filled with inspiration, networking, and learning. Then we started the first session, the creative session. It was really educative and insightful. One thing I learned is the importance of storytelling in any creative field. So yeah, they gave us sandwich for breakfast and cold zobo. So yeah, I was sharing my lesson, what I've learned, and I was taking notes to show my friends on WhatsApp. So this is me showing my friends. So there was an interval and then we were asked to talk about remote working, people working from home, and freelancing. So I decided to talk a little and share my experience working remotely and working as a freelancer. Wow. I didn't even know I could talk like this and I was so excited. After talking, my body was actually shaking. I was nervous. It was actually cool to talk and share my experience. After my talk, the next section began, the freelancing section. So the speakers emphasized on the importance of networking and building a strong online presence. I learned a lot in that section, so I went out to take pictures and videos again. Hashtag smart career woman, which I am. I am a smart career woman. So I took pictures. This is me taking more pictures and just face cutting and outfitting, and we're giving burger again. So at this point, I was making videos of everybody in the hall. So 10 of us were called out to pitch ourselves to potential clients. So I got a gift for trying from GPay. So I had an interview section here to talk about the gift I won and share my experience here. Thank you so much. Then this is the third section. So the third section was about the career and it was so insightful. One key tip was on aligning your personal brand with your professional goals. And then we're given the tropical drink and then food. So I had to go to the restroom and I had to do a short video again of myself. I got to meet amazing women and I even learned so much from ladies. I know that yes, women can do so many things. Women have superpower to do anything they want to do. I learned a lot in today's event. And then we got a package from the host. So many goodies were inside the package. So the event ended already and this is me on my way back home. So I had a long day, a stressful day. So this is me walking back home. The event was such a refreshing experience. I left feeling inspired and ready to take on new challenges. Thank you guys for spending the day with me, and do not forget to like and share. Bye. Bye.